Welcome student. Now see numerical number 3. The RMS velocity of nitrogen is 517 meter per second at 27 degrees Celsius. Calculate pressure exerted by 1 mole of nitrogen contained in 2 dm cube container. Means from this example it is clear that the RMS velocity means given data is RMS velocity given is that is u, that is RMS velocity is equals to 517 so many meter per second. Now temperature is given, it is 27 degrees Celsius, that's why 27 plus 273, that's why it is equals to 300 Kelvin. And gas, calculate the pressure exerted by gas. 1 mole of gas contained 2 dm cube container, means what is the volume of container? It will be 2 dm cube, that's why V equals to 2 dm cube, and you have to calculate the pressure, or pressure may be in atmosphere or the pressure may be in another unit, that is joule per dm cube, means joule per dm cube, or pressure must be in atmosphere. These are the two units. Means first of all, if you solve this in MKS system, SI system, the unit of pressure will be joule per dm cube. Then you have to transfer it into ATM. Now see, what is the formula? Now you know the formula. What is the formula of RMS velocity? RMS velocity U equals to thrice RT upon M, where R is gas constant, T is a temperature, and M is molecular weight. Now again you know in this formula here 1 mole of gas is given, that's why here N equals to 1 is also given. All these are the given things, that's why for ideal gas or for N2 gas, what is ideal gas equation? PV equals to nRT, but N equals to 1, that's why PV equals to RT. Why? Because N equals to 1. Hence put here 3 into RT is nothing but PV upon M. Okay, that is equals to U. Square on both sides, squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. U square and square of this under root thrice PV upon M. Then from this, what is the value of P? P equals to U square M upon thrice V. Now solve further. In order to solve further, again see here P equals to U square. What is the value of U? 517 meter per second, means its square means meter square per second square, into what is the M? Molecular weight. What is the molecular weight? Here gas given is nitrogen, that's why molecular weight of gas M equals to nitrogen, it will be 28 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg per mole. This is also given because you know atomic weight of nitrogen 14. Okay, 14 to the 28, that's why 28 gram, that's why 28 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg per mole. Now 28 into 10 raised to power minus 3 upon 3 into V. What is V? 2 dm cube. That's why 2. Now all these multiplication 517 multiplied by 517 multiplied by 28, it comes out to be 7484 7484092 into 10 raised to power minus 3 and 3 2s are 6. Again 7484092 divided by 6, it will be 348.6 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Now in order to absorb this minus 3, it will be 123 means 1247.348. This is nothing but pressure. But here don't forget, here unit, see unit, here meter per second, here kg, okay, here dm cube, all are constant. This is nothing but constant. That's why the unit becomes kg meter square second raised to minus 2 into dm cube raised to minus 3. But this is nothing but joule. That's why it will be 1247348 so many joule per dm cube, means dm cube raised to minus 3. Now you have to convert this into ATM, means atmosphere. That's why you must know 1 atmosphere is equals to, but you know 1 atmosphere is equals to 8.314 upon 0.0821 so many joules per dm cube, means you know 8.314 upon 0.0821 so many joule dm cube is equals to 1 atmosphere. So many joules dm cube equals to 1 atmosphere. That's why our 1247.348 so many joule dm cube gives how many ATM. And if you solve this further, then the answer of this simple simplification will be, how it will be? It will be, means pressure in atmosphere is equals to 1247.348 so many joule per dm cube into 1 ATM divided by 8.314 upon 0.0821 so many joule per dm cube. Okay, then dm cube cancel, answer becomes 1247.348 here multiplied by 0.0821 upon 8.314. It is the value of pressure in atmosphere, and this value of pressure will be, it will becomes 12.3 so many atmosphere. This is the final answer. Now see next example, example 4. Calculate RMS velocity of oxygen at NTP. means in the example only given condition is of normal temperature and pressure. You must know the NTP. NTP means the pressure of gas is 1 atmosphere and volume is 22.4 liter or 22.4 dm cube. One and same thing. 1 dm cube equals to 1 liter. That's why at NTP means you must know at NTP pressure is 1 atmosphere and volume is 22.4 liter or 22.4 dm cube. Okay, you must know this. Now calculate RMS velocity. U equals to thrice RT upon M. Here oxygen gas is given, that's why for O2 what is the value of molecular weight? M is equals to 16 is the atomic weight of oxygen, that's why 32 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg per mole. Okay, solve further. U equals to thrice RT, PV equals to nRT, that's why PV equals to RT. And you must know one thing that 8.314 means 1 atm atmospheric pressure equals to 8.314 upon 0.0821, so many joule per dm cube. This is the relation between atm and joule per dm cube. Now here 1 atm equals to so much, that's why if you solve this it will be 101.26 so many joules per dm cube. And you know joule means kg meter square per second square, that's why 101.26 kg meter square second raised to minus 2 so many per dm cube. Now this is nothing but 1 atm. Now put this in our formula of RMS velocity. U equals to 3 into what is the value of RT? You know it is nothing but PV, that's why PV upon M for 1 mole of gas. Solve further. 3 into what is the value of pressure? It will be 101.26. 101.26. Now what is the value of volume? It will be 22.4 liter. Then what is the value of molecular weight? 32 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Now if you solve this above, then all this multiplication is equals to 68.07. What is this? 68.07. This 10 raised to minus 3 when comes to numerator, then it will be plus 3 upon 32. Now after solving this further, this U equals to what is this 68.32.07 divided by 32, and it will be 2.12. It will be 2.12. And further solving this, it will be 2.12 into 10 raised to power 5. Now in order to solve this 10 raised to power 6, then it will be 0.212, and when further it solved it will be 0.212. Here this is in under root 10 raised to power 6, that's why out of this it will be 10 raised to power 3, and U equals to under root of 0.212, it will be 0.461 into 10 raised to power 3 so many meter per second. This is the value of RMS velocity.